Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Java cutout on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo button next to the t-shirt option at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section you can find the Java cutout option. And just select one and click that. If you want to add the text to your project, just click to the text button at the lower left corner of the screen. Write your text, and if you finish, just click to the Done button. In the font section, you can select another font type, and if you want to change the color of your text, just click to the color section and select another color. In the shadow section, you can add shadows to your project. If you want to add the picture or change the picture on your project, just go to the graphic option, and in the symbol section you can find different symbols, or go to the photo section, and here you can select photo from your device. If you want to draw, just click to the doodle button, select the color and draw. And if you go to the brush section, you can find different object, and for example, click to the stars button and you can add stars to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.